Okay, so we've got the Apple Pencil, which works with the 12-inch iPad Pro. Nope, nope. This guy here is the Apple Pencil. Slide it out. Ooh, an extra nib or nub. There it is. This is the first time Apple has ever delivered its own stylus for an iPad. And it's much more than just a stylus. Ooh, so you gotta charge this up. Oh, I see what you do. Plug the pencil into here, you plug your charger into here. You could even take this charger and put it right there. So that's pretty cool. There is, by the way, in case you're wondering, no magnets, no holder, don't lose it. Apple's first keyboard for the iPad. Carefully peel this apart. You can already see here, I don't know if you can see that picture, but that's basically how this setup is gonna work. It does not have a built-in battery, and I'm gonna show you why. Take this off, pull that away. All right, and here it is. So this keyboard marries with the iPad Pro, so should just, oh, look at that. Woo! All right, so that's pretty cool. That worked. And it's got a little bit of an edge there to hold it. This is the iPad Pro, it's 12.9 inch, the new Apple Pencil, the new Smart Keyboard. You're gonna buy them separately, but Apple wants you to use them all together. It's a new way of working. We've just unboxed it. Guess what's next? We're gonna test it.